Uh, Hi all, this is Elim Kiganjane. Welcome to another mathematics session. Today we're going to proceed solving questions from Necta 2022 and specifically question number 10. So this is a revision session to all Form 2, Form 3 and Form 4 students. The way we solve questions, we hope that will give you guideline on how you can approach different mathematics questions in your actually preparation for the final exams. So let us go now to the question number 10, Nectar 2022. As you can see, this question was actually on quadratic equations, and the question is 2t power negative 10, 2t power negative 10 minus 3t power negative 5 plus 1 equals to 0. And we are supposed to express in terms of x, where x is 1 over t power 5. So we can rewrite again this equation here, and it will be actually 2t power negative 5 square minus 3t power negative 5 plus 1 equals to 0. With x equals to 1 over t power 5, this is actually the same as x equals to t power negative 5. So whenever there is x equals to t power negative 5, we're going to substitute with x, and this equation now is going to be transformed to be equation of this kind. We'll be having 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. So that is actually a solution for part A, that we have already expressed the equation in terms of x. And for B, from the equation you obtained in part A above, find the values of x that is satisfied by using the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula, if you remember, that is actually x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So you're going to identify the values of coefficients. So a equals to 2, b equals to negative 3, and c is going to be equal to 1. So with these minor details we have, dear students, we are going to proceed actually plugging the details into a formula, so that you'll be having x equals to negative b, it is negative 3 plus or minus square root of b square, so negative 3 square, minus 4 times a is 2, and c is positive 1, will be divided by 2 times a, and a was 2. So x will be will be positive 3, of course. We'll be having positive 3, so 3 plus or minus, you have square root of, that is 9 minus 8 divided by 4. We proceed, we'll be having now 3 plus or minus square root of 1 over 4. Eventually, this is 3 plus or minus 1 over 4. So x will be 3 plus 1 over 4, or 3 minus 1 over 4. You simplify, you get x equals to 1 or a half. It means actually 2 over 4. So as you if you check the question, we were supposed to solve to find the values of x that satisfy the quadratic formula, that satisfy the equation by using quadratic formula. And so the values of x, dear students, are positive 2 and negative 1. So you just conclude that x is 1 or x equals to a half. So that is the solution for question number 10, Necta 2022. If it is your first time to be in this channel, consider subscribing to the channel so that you're going to be updated on the upcoming contents. But also you can share your views, your comments in the comment section, whether these contents are beneficial to you or not. And you can share your comment on how we can improve the contents to resonate actually around the areas where students might be benefiting in their learning process. So until next video, I wish you all the best in mathematics learning endeavor. Peace.